Hi, welcome to today's recap. So this is going to be a quick one because I have to go actually host CNBC Asia. Markets opened up, didn't get much traction. We went above 1303. We hit as high as 1315 in the S&P. First quarter target, if you guys take a look at this chart here, was about 1320 or so, 13.8, actually like 1320 to 1340. Starting to get a little bit above this ascending channel, which sometimes will bring in some sellers. Yesterday or today's high was 1315. So take that in stride. I'm going to go through this quick, come back to me. Google's out. There's been a lot of concerns about their earnings. They missed. Stock went as low as 573. The 200 days 562. If you took some options with me, I apologize. It's better than owning the stock and being stuck in the penalty box. That's why as active traders, when you know your time frame, you don't take stock into earnings because it's somewhat of an unknown. But it's been acting poorly, so I guess some people had to have known. Anyway, options is premium paid. That's going to be a 0. As far as IBM, came out with earnings. I think they were pretty much in line, a tiny bit of a beat. There were some concerns that the same type of scenario that happened to Oracle could happen to IBM. I was one of them. Took small puts, didn't actually, didn't trade the stock, and it's higher, so that's going to be worthless. So that's 0 for 2, taking 50-50 bets into earnings, but, it is what it is. I will not trade the options into earnings. I was doing that considering we've just had about a 30-day run from December 20th to now, where I think I was down 1 day. So, felt like you could trade a little bit looser. So this will bring me back in. There's too much money being made intraday using strategies, to put things out there, that are just basically somewhat of a guess, because that's what it is. Unless you have more information that nobody has, playing earnings into, the number is risky if you don't have a longer term time frame. As far as the markets, again, you can see my positions on the virtual trade floor. I definitely have some hedges on. I bought a little VIX yesterday. Still short the diamonds from the past few days, trading around it. Netflix, great move. Win, close that out today. Cisco continues higher. It's been great. Trim it. OAHs yesterday. We put some more on. Went to tier 2. It was up nicely today. You could have traded around it. Still in tier 1 or tier 2. It acted much better. So still a lot going on. Lots of earnings out. Again, during earnings season, know what company you're trading, know what you have overnight. And if you're going to take, a situation to earnings, I'd rather you do it with options, so at least you know your risk is premium paid. Sorry, got to go. Scott Redler, T3 Live, the recap. See you tomorrow morning at the later morning call. It'll be around 9 o'clock. Thanks.